everyone, welcome back to my class. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 4 IT. In today's video, let us start lesson number 9 Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. This is page number 74. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. It comes as an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video and animated special effects. What is a presentation? A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along with graphics, sound and animation. You already know what is graphics, sound and animation. Slide. What is a slide? A slide is a page of PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a brief topic. Okay. How is a presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively. People in the business world use it to present information about their products or companies in seminars and meetings. So teachers can use presentation to prepare their lesson plans. Using PowerPoint we can make projects on any topic. Okay, so with the help of this presentation you can make any topics and you can make like seminars also. Okay, so they have mentioned here. People in the business world use it to present information about their products or company in seminars and meetings. Okay, so teacher use presentation to prepare their lesson plans, and using PowerPoint we can make projects on any topic. Okay, now how to start MS PowerPoint? To start MS PowerPoint, follow the given steps. First one, click on Start All Programs, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So here are the steps. First one, click on Start button, choose all programs. Third one, click on Microsoft Office. And fourth, click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. This is figure 9.1, starting MS PowerPoint. Next, on starting MS PowerPoint, a blank presentation named Presentation 1 appears on the screen. Okay, figure 9.2, MS PowerPoint window. Okay, so here we are having Office button, Quick Access toolbar. These are the slides, tabs, groups, slide pane. Okay, and these are the components of MS PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint consists of the following components. These are the components: title bar, Quick Access toolbar, MS Office button, ribbon, slide pane, slide tabs. MS PowerPoint consists of the following components. First is title bar. It displays the name of presentation on which you are currently working. Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar contains commands that you may want to use quite often. You can place this toolbar above or below the ribbon. To do so, click on the arrow at the end of the toolbar and select Show Below the Ribbon option. Okay. Next, MS Office button. The Office button performs many of the functions that were available in the file menu of older versions of PowerPoint. This button allows us to create a new presentation, open an existing presentation, save as, print, send or close the presentation. Next, ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of the document. It has 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View. Each tab contains commands arranged in groups. Third, slide pane. In the slide pane, you can work directly on individual slides. Slide tabs. The slide tab shows a thumbnail version of each slide shown in the slide pane. After adding other slides, you can click a thumbnail. Turn your page number 76 on the slide tab to make the slide appear in the slide pane. You can add, delete, duplicate and rearrange slides in the slide tabs. Okay, so this is outline tab. The outline tab displays the text content of each slide. You can edit your text directly from the outline view. notes pane. In the notes pane, you can type notes to yourself about the current slide. Okay, so this all are the components of MS PowerPoint. Already have explained this in Zoom session. Still I am explaining to you once again in the video for your understanding. Okay, so already I have explained this. What is title bar? What is quick access toolbar? What is MS Office button? What is ribbon? What is slide pane? What is slide tab? Okay, so this is Office button. This is quick access toolbar. And what this is the slides, this is group, this is tabs, title bar, ribbon, slide pane, status bar. Okay, all are the components of MS PowerPoint. Okay, so in the next class I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. I hope you understood today's concept. Thank you.